May mga kababayan tayo na naka-Gucci belt, naka-latest iPhone, laging nagta-travel, laging pasyal, pero behind the scenes, minimum payments lang pala ang kayang bayaran. 5 credit cards, lahat naka-max out na. Paycheck to paycheck ang buhay. Plus, utang sa kamag-anak, utang sa kaibigan, utang sa bangko. Pero sino ang nahiya? Mga ka-RTR Global, let's be real today ha. Money stress hurts, sabi nga nila. Hindi lang sa bulsa, pero pati sa puso, sa utak, sa ego. May mga gabi na parang okay ka naman sa harap ng lahat, di ba? Pero pag matutulog ka na, tahimik na ang mundo, doon lumalabas yung totoong worries. Yung iniisip mo, bakit parang ako na lang ang nahuhuli? Bakit parang kahit anong gawin ko, kulang pa rin? At bakit parang mas mayaman pa yung aso ng ibang tao kaysa sa akin? Biro lang po yan. Today, we're gonna change that. Because this is RTR Global. And here, money stress is not a shame story. It's a real story. And we talk about it, and we will talk about it rather, honestly, compassionately, and frivolously. Let's start with something slightly controversial. Filipinos are great at pretending we're okay, even when we're drowning. We are the masters of, okay lang ako, kaya ko pa, bahala na si Batman. Poor Batman, lagi nating sinisisi. Pero deep inside, credit cards na max out na natin. Utang left and right. Pressure dito, pressure sa Pilipinas, pero tahimik pa rin tayo. Because money stress has become shameful. Nakakaya raw aminin na hirap ka. Aminin na nadapa ka. Nakakaya raw magkulang. Pero ito ang totoo. And listen carefully. Having money problems does not make you a failure. It does not make you irresponsible. It does not make you less honorable or less Filipino. You're not behind, you're human. Hindi lang pera ang problema. Kadalasan, expectations. Mula sa pamilya, sa kultura, sa image. And the invisible Filipino success scoreboard. Yung feeling na dapat ganito ako sa edad ko na ito. Dapat may bahay na yata ako ngayon. Dapat may savings na ako. Pero ito po ang real talk. Walang expiration date ang success. Hindi yan gatas, hindi yan pandesal, hindi yan Jollibee promo. Walang standard timeline ang buhay. Walang manual sa pagiging Filipino abroad. Sometimes the only difference between you and that successful person is mas magaling lang silang magtago ng problema. May mga kababayan tayo na naka-Gucci belt, naka-latest iPhone, laging nagta-travel, laging pasyal, pero behind the scenes, minimum payments lang pala ang kayang bayaran. 5 credit cards, lahat naka-max out na. Paycheck to paycheck ang buhay. Plus, utang sa kamag-anak, utang sa kaibigan, utang sa bangko. Pero sino ang nahiya? Ikaw pa rin, yung tahimik na nagtitipid, yung nagsusumikap, yung responsable. We now live in a culture where people would rather look rich than be financially healthy. And I say this with love. Stop impressing people who will not help pay your bills. Let's change the script. Instead of, I'm overwhelmed, try, I'm taking control. Instead of, nahihiya ako, subukan mo sabihin, I'm learning. Instead na sabihin mong, wala na akong pag-asa, say, I'm rebuilding. Money stress is not a life sentence. Tandaan po ninyo yan. it's a season. And seasons change. Kahit ang tag-ulan sa Pilipinas, natatapos din, di ba? Let's keep it human. Stop beating yourself up. Hindi ka failure. In fact, you survived. That deserves respect. Be honest. Not for shame, but for healing. Mag-start tayo ng maliit or start small. Hindi kailangan perfect. Progress is still progress. Choose peace over pressure. Hindi mo kailangan makipagkompetensya kahit kanino. Remember this. You are not behind. You are becoming wiser. You are not alone. Hindi ka nag-iisa sa laban. Hindi ka nag-iisa sa stress. Here you are, seen, heard, respected. Money stress does not define you. Again, money stress does not define you. Your strength does. Your resilience does. Your kindness does. So today, lift your head and over your chest and say it with me. I am not behind. I am rebuilding and I am worth it. This is RTR Global Real Talk, Real Healing, Real Filipino Strength. I'm Rod Mercado, and always remember, life may be tough, money may be stressful, but you are tougher. I love you, my Filipino family worldwide. See you next episode.